Hello, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to Crypto Insights, your gateway to your ever evolving landscape of blockchain. Today, we are diving into the world of decentralized finance with Uniswap and its governance token. Uni, if you ready to unravel the secrets of automated trading and decentralized exchange, let's jump right in. I am your host Krishna Sharma and let's get started. So first we have intro to Uniswap. So what is Uniswap? What about Uniswap uniqueness? We will discuss in that. Uniswap, born in November 2018, is just not a decentralized trading portal, it's a game changer in the world of decentralized finance. You can also say DeFi. As an automated market maker, Uniswap has become a pivotal player in facilitating the seamlessly trading of DeFi tokens. The brainchild behind Uniswap is Ethereum developer Hydian Adams. His vision was to introduce automated market makers to a broad audience on the Ethereum network. So, here we have a unique features of Uniswap. What sets Uniswap apart is its focus on creating liquidity for the DeFi sphere. So using a unique formula for automated exchange, so which is big X big Y is equal to K. Uniswap solves liquidity challenges and incentivity activities by reducing cost and limiting risk. The mechanism encourages users to create liquidity pools for any token pair. So Uniswap is not just a decentralized exchange, it's a solution of liquidity issues. So faced by its predecessor by automating market making. Uniswap making trading for me more efficient and open to anyone. So eliminating identity requirement and providing opportunities for user to shape its future. So now we have Uniswap governance token to empower its community and ensure shared ownership. Uniswap introduced its governance token Uni in September 2020. This move added profitable potential and the ability of user to actively participate in shaping the protocol's future. So, Uni holders play a crucial role in the governance of Uniswap. Uni holders can participate in decision making related to the growth and development of the decentralized portal. The distribution of Uni tokens is designed to reward early users and ensure a sustainable ecosystem. With a total supply of 1 billion units, Uni serves a key element in Uniswap's commitment to decentralizement. So, here we have Uniswap version from V2 to V3. Uniswap has evolved through various versions, each bringing enhancement to protocol. Uniswap 2, launched in November 2018, introduced features like ERC20 pairs, price oracles, and flash swap. The latest iteration, Uniswap V3, launched on May 5, 2021, boosting greater capital efficiency for liquidity providers, enhanced infrastructure, and improved execution for traders. So, tokenomic of Uni. What are the tokenomic? The tokenomic of Uni are the designed to ensure fairness, community involvement, and long-term sustainability. With a total supply of 1 million Uni tokens, distribution include allocation for community members, team members, investors, and advisors. So, what security of Uniswap network? As a decentralized protocol, build a Ethereum Uniswap relies on Ethereum robustness and security. Uni being a ERC20 token adheres to Ethereum token standards. However, challenges like network congestions and smart contract vulnerabilities are factors that affect the overall security of decentralized application. So now we have the conclusion about Uniswap. So as we wrap up our exploration of Uniswap, it's clear that this decentralized trading portal goes beyond just transaction. Uniswap is a community driven ecosystem continuously evolving through innovative versions, governance participation, and strategic acquisition. Where you are a trader, liquidity provider, or governance enthusiast. So Uniswap invites you to join its journey for decentralized finance. Until next time, keep exploring the possibilities of blockchain technology with Crypto Insights. I'm your host Krishna Sharma signing off.